Hello everyone! We are out and about in the city of Mandaluyong and Taguig. We'd like to welcome you back to our channel. So while you're here, do not miss our future videos here in the Philippines. So press that bell and subscribe. Another way to cool off here in the Philippines is the mall. This is Megamall, divided into Mall A and B. It is located in Ortigas Center, Mandaluyong. It is the third largest shopping mall in the Philippines and the 13th largest in the world, with a maximum capacity of 4 million people. On to another mall called Venice Grand Canal, which opened in 2015 and located in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. It is famous for its design and architecture and is considered the romantic mall in the country. Just one of our weakness, milk teas. We're not encouraging sweets by any means, so watch your intake. There'll be more Philippines videos to come, so keep tuning in. As always, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, as it truly inspires us to create more content that hopefully helps to begin your own adventure. Lastly, to comment or ask questions. Until next time, peace and love.